Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, as well as good evening, depending the time you are watching me. Today's video gonna be very special because in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your mobile data refuses to turn on. Like, I've been having this problem, and this problem sometimes limits me to do one or two things. For example, if I want to take a class, this problem would limit me to take the class because I don't have an internet connection to do so. And also, if I want to call, like in a WhatsApp call or video conference, or I want to do Zoom, it will also be eliminated. And also, if I want to get some information from the internet about some certain things quickly, I won't be able to do it. Why? Because my data refused to on. So before that, I would like to tell you who I am. I am Endurance OKON. And the reason why I'm here is to help you to solve computer problems, both in mobile phones, laptop, and even desktop as well. So don't be panicked. If you have any problem concerning to computer, don't be panicked, because I had you covered. So without much wasting of our time, let's jump into the video. Welcome back. First of all, let me turn on my data so that you will see what I'm talking about. So now scroll right here, then turn on my data. Now there it is. As you can see, my data refused to turn on. So with this, I cannot do anything. You need to pay attention to this video and watch to the end so that you will not miss any step. Now, but if I come here, you will see that my data is on. But the problem is that if I come to this place, you will see that my data refused to on. So this won't allow me to do anything in the internet, exception of I connect a Wi-Fi to it. So since there is no Wi-Fi, does that mean I need to forget important things that I need to do? No. So that is why I'm here, in order to share it with you how you can solve this as well. So what you do in order to solve this is for you to quickly go to settings. Yes, I mean settings. So with right here, I will go to settings. Now here it is. So launch it. Wait for it to open. After opening, what you need to do here is to tap on the network and internet. Network and internet. So tap on it, and then the next thing that you will do is for you to click on the mobile network. Click on it. Then what you need to do is to click on the SIM card that you want the data to be on. So like in my case, it's the SIM 2, which is blue here. If you can see, my data is active, it's on, but it's not showing here at the top. So what you need to do is to quickly go to advanced. When you go to advanced, all you need to do is to scroll down to access point name. Tap on it, then wait for it to open. Now this place will display. What you need to do here, as you can see the green point here, like my own is in the first one. So if yours is in the first one or second one, what you need to do is to change it. Like for example, if your own is in the second one or third one, change it to the first one or any of them. But like in my case here, it's in the first one. So what I need to do is to change it to the last one. So let's change it to to the second one rather and see what will happen. So now let's wait for our data to come up. Wow, this is very wonderful. Now I have an internet connection now, so I can quickly do what I want to do at this moment. So I believe that you all know how you can solve this problem in case you face it. So there's nothing big there. It's just for you to change one or two things in the settings. So done that, before leaving, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video to your friends, families, and loved ones in order so that they should know how to solve this similar problem. Thank you very much for your attention. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.